Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for May 16, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. A couple different things. So we started off with the Tesla on the long side here, guys. Nice little 2-point trade for us. Koya long, smaller stock, long idea. 1.5 points on that one from 650 area. FSLR long this morning for 1 point on that one. That had a little reverse. Probably should have went after it short, but it's a pretty decent little trade this morning out the gate. Baidu long, pretty much all day long for 3.5 points. Now long for 6 points on that idea, which there was a nice little pop intraday there on that fat finger. And then HCMP along for 4 points off of that 92 level today. So all in all, pretty good. We had a couple things that didn't work on the equity side. We tried this, we tried Snow. That one worked for like 40 cents. Then I had to pull back at the end of the day there. That wasn't really a, it was a whatever trade. We tried this mRNA short. That was about 50 cents to the downside. And then we ended up getting stopped out on that little bounce there. Actually, more than 50 cents. Must have been like, yeah, buck and change. So not terrible. ELOX is the one that failed. So we tried this one at 887, failed right out the gate. And yeah, that one just didn't work out. So all in all, pretty high hit rate there on the equity side. Options, very high hit rate. SPX, we had 100% hit rate on that, so that was fantastic. We were just playing off the bottom of the range, then off the top of the range. We had the SPX spread that maxed out as always. Well, not as always, but very high probability. Worked out nicely for that one. AMD, overnight 100 calls, 827% on those. That was fantastic. Google 120 calls out the gate this morning. Those went 400% on that idea. And AMD, we also did roll 105 calls, so 300%. MU overnight 64 calls, 283%. Amazon 115s for 100%. Then IONQ long idea for 117%, 7.5 calls. So all in all, really a solid day on the option side. We had an OLED as well for 50% into the end of the day. We had a couple smaller percentage movers as well. But really nice day. We were on all of the relative strength movers, and we were able to trade the SPY quite well. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Market did break the uptrend on the daily. We do have room towards that 50 EMA. We'll see if it does break. We have a ton of range support from last week. And yeah, we'll kind of just go from there. You guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to sparringtraining.com. You can sign up there. We have promos on the Twitter page, just pinned. And we do opening up the chat on YouTube or via YouTube tomorrow in the pre-market, so you guys can see kind of what we do, etc. for the first hour and a half right before the open. Anyways, that's it, guys. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good rest of your day today.